Today's the day, baby. Sorry, neighbors, for what's about to happen. It's about to be beautiful. Dude, you seem pretty excited. You're already in the car. Are you on Instagram? Bro, I make you an Instagram, and you're just sitting there chilling. Hold on, let me see. Nope, sorry. Who are you following? Me, Area 51, Victoria, Alien Workshop. You know that's a skateboarding company, right? Alien Anthology. That's just a weird page. We should talk about conspiracy theories sometime soon. You know, I feel like we'd really hit it off. Alien Outfitters, dog. That's clothing. Alienware. They make computers, dude. You're not even following the right people, dude. You'll learn. We out here at the Lord's Chicken this morning. Yes, sir.
What's
That's my buddy, dude.
Is he really?
Yeah, that's my little buddy. I stole him from Area 51.
Yeah, you on your way, huh?
Yeah, dude. I'm coming back, man. Thank you, man. Have a good day. Dude, I thought we were gonna get away with it. They almost just didn't even recognize you. You kind of look like a human at this point. You have socks and a shirt. Maybe we just need to get you pants and maybe like a hat. You're doing pretty good though, dude. Gotta make sure Ethan knows I'm here. God, this thing is so fast. And we are back. Hello, friends. Hello, Z. It's too quiet, bro. They can't even hear me. Hey, I see another Gt-R here. What's going on?
It's definitely not stock. Now that I see that.
No, yeah, they made it sparkly. What's up, man? What's up? What's up?
Nice.
So, what's going on with this Gt-R over here?
Oh, we got a little bit of everything. One has some broken gears in the transmission. It's not in the car anymore. It's in the office.
Okay.
I'll show you that. And what we're,
Hey, that looks familiar. That's an Armytrix. This is definitely a cool car. Okay, today's awesome because it's the start of this car becoming kind of just a whole nother beast. We're here at TrackStar. Today, we're gonna be straight piping the car. We're gonna be installing the Armytrix exhaust that we unboxed the other day. And then tomorrow, we're coming back with the fuel system, flex fuel intakes, everything like that, everything of that sorts. We're gonna max out stock power. Oh, and we have multiple Gt-Rs. Okay, I like this one because it's got like the blackout. Oh man, okay. I'm thinking a blackout might be the best option. That looks pretty damn good. So what's going on with this one?
So this one has upgraded turbos.
Oh.
We did upgraded clutch set in this, I don't know, 2 months ago. And we did not do the upgraded turbos.
Okay.
And something looks like one of the turbo return lines is leaking, so we need to fix that. And,
okay, that's awesome. Do good in there today. We're not really gonna need you, just kind of chill. I guess you guys haven't met Jerome yet.
I've seen him.
He's good, he's a good guy, he's a good boy. All right, so we have the full Armytrix exhaust downpipes back that we're gonna be installing today. And what Ethan's doing first is pulling off the under panels and such so we can actually reach everything before we get onto the lift.
This is the most alarming portion.
That is bad.
Holy moly. Like, you think if I just jam my finger there real hard, it'll...
That's sadly maybe.
I have an extra one of these. I do have an extra pan,
okay.
So that's pretty cool. Talking one piece right now, but like,
oh, no. There needs to be a lot of DIY rust repair.
Oh, there she goes.
That's so funny. That's about to come down and, hey, there it is.
There you go.
It came down. Holy crap. Boom. Nice. Look how small that exhaust housing is, dude. That turbine is small, but effective. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't seen very many of these in person, but man, do I now want one. Maybe that's the next car. Or maybe I shouldn't say it out loud, because then somebody else will probably buy it. Yay! All right, the uglies are out. Now time to put in the pretties.
5 hours later.
All right, so we got the beautiful part on. That's looking really nice. We've got the, those tips are you're actually gonna put my tips on those. Ethan, the Gt-R service expert, is gonna, dude, I wanna know if you can like puncture that with like a light tap.
Yeah. The next step up is to crack this bolt free, so maybe rather than crack the bolt free, we just give it a little punch. We're gonna do the transmission fluid as well as the rear differential fluid, and then the front differential fluid all the way up there.
Hell yeah. All right, we're putting the last little tip on. The nice thing is I can adjust these accordingly. God, those are gonna look so good. The full exhaust is on. So I need to tighten this down, and once it gets on the ground, it'll look sick, but I am definitely not regretting the carbon fiber option here. That looks sick. Now maybe just a carbon fiber diffuser would, you know, go really well with that. It's like cracking it, dude.
Oh yeah, what if you like...
Uh-oh.
You know what?
I think we were safe.
She's more... Oh,
no! Okay.
That didn't take much.
All right, new pan going on.
Definitely haven't heard that song for a long time.
Aside from the lime green zip ties, we've really done a good job of making a sleek vacuum line. They did provide us with some black ones, but we had to make a fashion statement with lime green. You know what I mean? All right, it's teed off. That's ready to go. Now they give you a check valve, and they give you like this little module thing that's controlled by Bluetooth, and that's it's pretty simple. That's about it. Last but not least, we're getting the little check valve and solenoid figured out. It's pretty cool. With the touch of a button, I'll be able to make it loud, piss off neighbors, make happy neighbors.
Dude, this alien has got me a few times now. I get in, I'm like, oh, what's that?
Can't wait, I can't wait. Okay. So we were in the loud mode, now we're in the quiet mode. It's like cool, and now we go to full, like,
that's residential, I think.
That's residential. And full attack is
There it is.
Oh, that is sick. Sounds pretty damn cool.
Uh-oh.
It doesn't shoot flames yet, Ethan. It sounds great from the car. Like, these are already, obviously these are nice cars, so it deadens the sound. Oh my God! Yes! One more. Oh, look at these exhaust tips. Oh, I love it. Real dry carbon fiber. These are gonna be coated with just carbon buildup pretty soon. I love the way it looks, and I love the way it sounds, but now that we got downpipes, we gotta figure out, like, how much faster is it? Yeah, you gotta move Jerome. Be nice to him. Just put him on my Z. There you go. Oh, how sweet is that?
Creepy, dude.
I'm stoked. I cannot wait to hear what this is gonna be like when I send it. So right now we're on the stage 1 map. You're gonna kind of like see, I guess, so if there's anything we really need to change before you pro tune it.
Yep.
All right, so far it's pretty tame while driving. Like, it's actually not, it's not annoying. It sounds incredible. Turbos really help quiet down a car a little bit.
And the AFR look good though, so
okay.
I'm not terribly concerned what the boost number is, as long as everything else looks happy. Just getting the trim number up there. Okay. I was watching the wideband number, but not the trim. So more important to see how much correction the car is attempting to get it happy. So.
Want me to go?
Yep, we good.
All right. That's park. It seems to be unhappy.
It's traction control, I think. Turn off traction control.
That's possible, yeah. Hold on, wait. Downshift, ready? This is a happy guy over here. She's like, that's so awesome. I'm so happy.
Correction, I mean, we're at like 3% short-term trim, 2-3%.
Wow.
So
I mean,
and when you're on throttle,
I should keep stage 1 until you tune it though.
Yeah,
so
I mean, it looks fine on this, and it feels fine as well right now. So.
Alrighty, take it for a rip, babe. Oh, look at that butt. Oh, bye. Oh, it's manual. I forgot to tell her she had to shift. That sounded so sick, dude. I've heard a lot of GT-Rs that are just like it's like annoying obnoxious. It's definitely like on the level, but it's like 25-year-old getting kind of old. I enjoy good sounding exhausts, not just loud. I like it. That's an Evan exhaust right there. Oh my God, that's my car, dude. That's insane. Yeah, I forgot to tell you it was in manual. Yeah, it's like, oh, you're hanging on first gear for a little while. This is a subscriber, homie of mine. So this is who actually bought the EJ Civic. This is manual. Have you ever been in a GT-R?
Never. Okay, cool. We're about to have some fun.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's pretty good, yeah?
Fastest car I ever got.
Awesome. I get Ethan in this beautiful pose.
Needs to be like a 60-year-old.
We need to, hey! Ethan, they want flames. I'm just telling you, they want flames, bro. Again, big thanks to Ethan at TrackStar. This is awesome. I can't wait to, I mean, this is like part 1 of really cool stuff. Of many things we're gonna do. He's trying to convince me to do bigger turbo stuff, but
do bigger, guaranteed he's gonna do bigger turbo.
Okay, maybe so. But now, for now, this is so fun. Also, big thanks to Armytrix. That's an amazing sounding exhaust. I have some more sounds for you guys to hear whenever we do the dyno video. You'll just hear some more. I want to end today's video by saying my daily advice: if you believe in yourself, invest in yourself. Take it from me, so many people in my life have looked past my skill set, my abilities, and my talents. And there's been a lot of times in my life where the only person that has believed in me is me. And even like my friends, like, you know, if you believe that you have the potential, invest in yourself. Buy that camera, invest into that business that if you really think you got what it takes, then do it. But make sure if you do invest in yourself, don't just get that camera and then never do anything with it. Stop sitting on your butt and make sure you actively pursue your goals that you have for yourself. Prove people wrong. I've gotten so used to doing it, but I still got no intention of stopping. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next video when we really tune and make the GT-R very fast. Deuces. I got 2 videos for you, boy. I could do a really long yeah boy, but I'm choosing not to right now. Just spare you guys. Watch those videos.